Yes. Group 10 children, chapter number 13, social studies, page number 112. 112. So, village panchayats here, we will be discussing about village panchayat. So, providing public amenities here. In a village, a hand pump needs to be repaired. In another part of the village, drainage water is spilling over, road is muddy here. Means, community on one village, one problem is there. So, coming to one village is repair, hand pump is problem. Another village problem is drainage system problem. One more village is electricity is problem here. Who will solve this problem? See in the village means Panchayat will solve these problems here. So whether it is roads, hand pumps or street lights, they belong to people in the village as a whole year. They are called public amenities here. So what are the problems for people? Comes under which are problems? Road problem and coming to drainage problem, coming to hand pump problem here. So these problems are solved by village Panchayat people. So they belong to people in the village as a whole. They are called public amenities. These problems comes to public amenities. Who will provide these amenities here? Who has to take care of their maintenance here? Who will take care of maintenance here? For this purpose, we have panchayats in rural areas and municipalities in urban areas here. So coming to what urban area means, so who will take care of this rural areas and municipalities urban areas here? Democracy at the village level, democracy at the village level here. All the public amenities can be provided by the government departments, but they follow orders from the higher ups and eventually from the authorities in the state capital here. So coming to point here, government departments are there. They are providing for higher orders. They are calling higher orders people. So as soon as possible, solve these problems in certain villages. In such an arrangement, the people of the village will have no say or rule. Further needs of the villages are the best understood. By then they can solve. They can also solve their problems more easily than others here. Means we are going to solve problems very easily. Understand? More important than all this is enabling ordinary people of the villages to participate in public affairs here. Means, so nowadays what are public affairs are there. So that is why we have elected the village panchayats and municipalities to provide basic amenities at the local level. Means, local level means what are the problems are there in the villages. So we have solved one after 1 year. Or at the base of the system, democratic functioning would be Grama Sabha consisting of all the voters in the village here. So people have the rights to get the vote. So cast their votes and elect one member, and the member has to solve the problems in the village. All the villages elect the members of the Gram Panchayat and Sarpanch who conduct the day-to-day work for the Panchayat here. So Sarpanch was there here, he will assign the work from one person to other person. So Grama Sabha. In the last chapter we read about democratic government and need to ensure participation of all people in public affairs. Why it is not possible for the people to participate at the state level here? So means coming to the point here, public has to participate at the public level as well as state also participate here. So it is possible at the village level. This is done through Grama Sabha assembly of villages who are voters here. Means voters, especially public, has to involve in all the problems here. They have to solve the problems here. We have begun experimenting with this arrangement in our country during the last 5 years here. Means experiment is done. Experiment and given see. We have begun experimenting with this begin arrangement in our country during the last few years onwards here. So Karnataka is keen to attend the Grama Sabha as she is given example here. Karnataka is keen to attend the Grama Sabha as she has been informed that she will get coupons which will have enabled her to get her ration card here. Means for example ration cards are there. So she did not know what the meeting was for and what would happen. Out of 70% the meeting, 20 were women and who had come to get their coupons like Kanakamma. Means coupons are there here. So they have participated in these meetings. Sarpanch is began meeting and read out the report of the work done by the Panchayat last year. So Panchayat member will be assigned the work for the peoples. They have to do the work here. I hope all you approve of this. The people had not listened it carefully and everyone clapped their hands here. So after that work, so everybody appreciated the Sarpanch and well as Panchayat members. Then he read out the list of people who are below poverty ranks here and BPL. Those are the concept of BPL who would be eligible for various kinds of government assistance here. Means those are under poverty line, so government is going to help them. As soon as he completed, Kanakamma stood up and asked that her name to be included in the list of as she had no land or other employment, so this was here. The people who does not have land or shelter for the people comes under below poverty line. So government of state or government of Telangana or government of India, they are going to help them. So Sarpanch promised to look this year. Definitely Kanakamma, she doesn't have any land now. So government definitely she is going to help them. Kanakamma felt very happy that she had participated in the Gram Sabha also very well. In the end, the coupons were distributed to women who needed ration card also. She did not have a ration card. So at last, government of India, Telangana provided us ration card for the Kanakamma. This is probably an example of the Grama Sabha taking place today here. So Grama Sabhas are there, people are attending the Grama Sabhas and they are solving the problems. people don't get proper information about the meetings and every few people come from them here. So means especially people don't get proper information also about this regarding Gram Sabha. So however, democracy requires active participation of all villages and the Gram Sabhas. All people should discuss the report of the previous years work and say whether the work has actually done was satisfactory or what should be done very satisfactory. They also need to discuss the proposal work and for the next year and say if any other works needs to be done or what is the best way to do here. One, when the lists of the people are read out, all people have to ensure that only genius people get the benefit of the schemes here. So genius only get the benefit, but others did not get the benefit here. Similarly, coming to Gram Sabha have to oversee the work again done under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act here. So this act is very, very important here. Act name was Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was there. So for the schemes is really helpful for the people of below poverty line. But in practice, Gram Sabha does not meet all a few people who participated not to take active interest in the proceedings also. Means they have to invest, they have to join the proceedings here. So for formation of Gram Panchayat were formed through elections. These elections are conducted by State Election Commission only. So voter list here, all residents of village who are 18 years old or above have to enroll their names in the voter list, especially usually government employee. This is every government employee visits every house to check whether there are any changes on the list here. So government has to check it off. They also initiate suggestions for additions or deletions of the list here. So coming to wards. A village is usually divided into few wards here committed in such a way that all the wards have most equal number of voters are there here. So ward number 1, ward number 2, ward number 3 and committed every member has to get the right to vote. Each ward elect one member to elect much there. So one member has to they have to elect each ward. So ensure that people from all the localities of villages are represented here. So Panchayat will have at least 5 wards members and may have as many as 21 wards members are there. So every Panchayat 21 members are there. Any person who is 21 years or above can contest the elections also. As per state election commission decision, those who are contesting the Sarpanch and the ward members should be deposited some amount here. So definitely the ward members are to deposit some amount for the election commission decisions here. So reservation in Gram Panchayats are there. It is often very difficult for women also reservation they got. Elected members of the ward member or the Sarpanch here. These bodies are therefore dominated by men also. Nowadays women, Gram Panchayat coming to the women, Sarpanch also they are doing very well job than the men. As a result, the needs and views of and the population go underrepresented. Keeping these problems in mind here, it has been decided by the parliament that 50% of all Panchayat wards members and Sarpanch will be women and their places are reserved for them here. So women's also reservation is there. So further they are doing very well. Coming to the point, similarly there is a reservation policy for SC and ST and BCs. Ensure the persons that from all sections of the society get elected to the Panchayat here. So Panchayat functions are representatives in institutions of all people in the rural areas are there. Means in rural areas, come to the point, everybody has their stand. Panchayat elections are going on. The women is also elected. They are also doing good services. Tomorrow you are going on an election process.